Last minute sotto casa. Okay, last minute, you know what's the meaning of. Sotto casa in Italian slang means 2 steps away from home. We fight food waste and we help small food shops in town. How? Through a very simple system, but let me tell you something first. Every single night in Milan, bakeries are throwing away 20 tons of bread. Unsold bread. They don't know how to handle it. Try multiply Milan by Turin, Rome, Florence, Venice, Berlin, London, and try to imagine how heavy this problem is. What happened to any small market, a fruit shop market which has some bananas like this, which is starting to get brown and he cannot sell it? Or any shop which has slices of pizza and maybe tomorrow you will not be able to sell it. How does it work, last minute sotto casa? In a very simple way. The shop owner, when realizes that he has just some leftover food or something which is about to expire, he can very easily send a message saying, I still have 3 roasted chickens running on my speed, just come here and buy it 50% of the price. The message is immediately delivered to all citizens who live just a few steps away from home, and that's why the name is Last Minute Sotto Casa. And the shop owner wins because he gets more money at the end of the day and see new clients stepping into the shop. The client wins because he buys fresh food at 50% price, and the planet says, thank you. Only here in Italy, we are saving 2.5 tons of food every month from bin waste. And together with this data, keep in mind that there are shop owners that at the end of the day got more money, and some citizens who just went there buying food and went out with some more money in their pockets. We were talking a few minutes ago about so many tons of food that we are avoiding to get into the bin waste. How can we do it? We are doing just thanks to a great community like yours. We are counting here in Italy something like 50,000 users, which are actually every day using the system and receiving offers. We were mentioning before fresh products. We have a sample here just in front of us. You can see there's a fresh slice of pizza. You can imagine what happens if this slice of pizza remained on the desk at 10 minutes, half an hour before closure of the shop. We won several awards here in Italy, and not only in Italy. We've been awarded in Amsterdam, we went to Brussels, we've been to Vienna, we've been to Madrid, and thanks to great partnership that we are just signing out, we are building, we are ready to bring this beautiful Italian story even out of our boundaries. So, hope to see you soon in your country. A very last point. Please go and register yourself to lastminutessottocasa.it. You will help us increase and make it bigger, this great community. And please talk to your friends, talk to the shop owners that are just 2 steps away from your home. Tell them about this project. Download our app, and all together we will be able for sure to build a better planet, a better world. Oh, I just received an offer on Last Minute Sotto Casa. There were some tomatoes in the offer. Okay, actually they're not so great. Probably were ready to be thrown away in the waste bin. But as we always say, food should never be thrown away. Last Minute Sotto Casa.